Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Honda Jazz manual. First, get comfortable in the driver's seat and adjust your mirrors. Locate the 3 pedals: clutch on the left, brake in the middle, and accelerator on the right. Take a moment to feel their resistance. Study the gear stick pattern, usually printed on top, to know where each gear is. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth learning experience. To start, press the clutch pedal all the way down with your left foot and select first gear. Slowly lift your left foot off the clutch until you feel the car begin to move, simultaneously applying light pressure to the accelerator with your right foot. This is finding the biting point. Once moving, accelerate smoothly, press the clutch, shift to second gear, and repeat. Practice makes perfect for seamless transitions. For smooth driving, anticipate traffic and road conditions to avoid sudden gear changes. When slowing down, downshift through the gears, using the engine's resistance to help reduce speed before applying the brake pedal. This technique, known as engine braking, saves wear on your brakes. To stop completely, press the clutch and brake simultaneously, then shift to neutral. Always be gentle with your inputs. Mastering hill starts is a key skill. Use the handbrake to hold the car, then release it as you find the biting point and apply gas. Pay attention to your engine sound. It tells you when to shift up or down for efficiency. Regular practice in varied conditions will build your confidence. Also, for those who love to read anywhere, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.